Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from HookedInLoops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful and colorful pen stand or paint brushes holder using just newspaper. So it's an upcycle project or best from waste project. I hope you will like this tutorial as it's really very easy and I have recycled old newspaper. So let's begin the tutorial. So take a page of the newspaper and fold it in 4 parts. We will cut out the strips using knife or scale. In this manner, we will take the paper strip. We will take a thin stick and just roll the paper around the stick from the corner in this manner. Just make sure the paper roll is very tight. Don't make it too loose. Okay. Once the rolling is done, just take some glue and stick the loose end of the paper to the remaining roll, and our paper rolls are ready. Prepare 2 thin circular cardboard. The diameter depends on your wish. Now take the paper rolls and arrange them on the circular cardboard in this manner. Make sure that the paper rolls are odd in number. We will stick the paper rolls on the cardboard one by one. I have used a total of 11 such paper rolls. We will take the 12th paper roll and stick it diagonally in this manner. And then take the other cardboard and apply glue on it. Spread the glue evenly, it will stick better in this case. And just stick this cardboard piece on top of the previous cardboard in this manner. Just stick it and let it dry. Now start weaving the diagonally placed paper roll in alternating fashion, that is, place it below the adjacent paper roll and on top of the following paper roll, and repeat this method throughout your basket making process. This method is continuous, that is, you will have to weave it in alternating fashion in each and every row. There is no change of rule. Just make sure that your basket is tight. Okay, and once your paper roll is finished, you will just apply a little bit of glue in it and stick another roll inside it like this. Just press it and continue the process of weaving in alternating fashion. So make as many rows as you want based on the height of the basket or the pen stand you want. I hope you are understanding the method. Place the roll on top of one such paper roll and below the other one in alternating fashion, and when you have reached the desired height, just take the loose end of the diagonally placed paper roll to any of the vertical paper roll using some glue and cut out the vertical paper rolls like this. Now stick the loose ends of the vertical rolls using some glue and just fold it and stick it to the basket in this manner. Fold it and stick it. This will neaten your work. Now for the border of the pen stand, we will take a thin strip of paper and fold it in 3 parts or till the width you want, and then stick the loose end of the paper to the folded portion using the glue. So our border is ready. We will take the basket. I already stuck the lower border. We will be sticking the top border using Fevicol or glue gun, whatever you wish. I have used Fevicol. Just stick the border around the top portion of the basket and press it and let it dry for some time. Cut out circular piece of newspaper The size will be same as the base of the basket, and we will stick it in the inside portion of the base and press it, and we will let it dry. We will do the same thing for the bottom portion. In this case, the circular piece of newspaper will be slightly bigger than the base. Just spread the glue evenly and stick the circular piece of newspaper to the base, and we will cut out the extra portion of the circle using the scissors. And so our newspaper basket or pen stand is ready. You can leave it as it is, or you can paint it as I am doing. I'm using acrylic paints. I have chosen bright colors because this will just brighten up the cozy corner of my room. Just paint it according to your choice. I have done the borders black in color. The base is also done black, and I have done a zigzag kind of geometric pattern using white colored paint around the border, and I think it's looking more beautiful than before. So just complete your work soon. You can add your own kind of geometric pattern or whatever you want. You can paint it or leave it as it is, because the newspaper basket looks beautiful without the paint also. So just complete your work soon. So our painting is done and our newspaper basket pen stand is ready. I just love the weaving pattern, and it's really easy and fast. So I have recycled my old newspaper, so it's just the perfect upcycle project, or the best from waste craft. And I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will solve all your queries, and please mention if you want to see any other kind of tutorials. I will just make those for you. And I have a website at www.50loops.com. so I write my creative blogs in my website. So stay updated, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.